everyone. Wow! Yahoo! Ayan, hindi nyo ako makita, pero that's the Go Girls. So I'm on my way home. I don't know what to do after going home. I'm not tired, pero I'm not sure if I'm in the mood to party. If you get what I'm trying to say. Nasaan ka? Kuya, pwede pa bukas ng ilaw? Hindi ka ba mahihirapan mag-drive? Ayan o. So, yeah. Sa Grab ako. Yeah. So, yeah. Nasa, ako ngayon. Nasa likod ng Grab. So, yan. Kumusta kayo, everyone? Kumustahin nyo naman ako. May question ako sa inyong lahat. Kapag ba nag-join ako ng isang reality TV competition, sabihin natin parang PBB, ganon, support nyo ba ako? Wow! Support nyo ba ako? So, anong malaman? Like, hindi ba kayo yung mag-lead ng troll farm para i-cancel ako, yung ganon? Siyempre, nakakatakot. Charis. Alam mo, ang na-realize ko kasi, it's hard to do reality TV instead of TV, like, magkaibang reality TV sa TV na scripted. Kasi, di ba, I'm doing TV na scripted right now. Pero reality TV kasi, lahat ng gagawing attack sa'yo is already an attack to you as who you are as a person. So, siya, mas personal kasi nga reality TV. So, parang ako personally, I'm still thinking about it. Kasi, naiyak, lasing pala. So, yun, nagaling po pala ako ng Cornerstone, I went from Cornerstone event, Out and Loud, it's a KZ thing. So, yeah, I'm thinking about joining other reality TV. Feeling ko may swerte ako sa reality TV at may malas din naman. Pero yeah. Kasi ang dami namang nag-support sa akin ng drag din. Sana marami din mag-support sa akin ng susunod kong journey. Thank you. Rona, may gusto ka pa bang ibabate? So yun, thank you very much. Ay, by the way, Rona, gusto ko lang sabihin, yung tinip mo ng isang araw, it came a long way. Nakapagpagawa ko ng pinto ng CR, para ganun ka siya kapasabog. Do you think it's high time for, hindi kita sinacharot. Do you think it's high time for a drag artist to be in PBB? Depende sa drag artist. Feeling ko. Pero, by the way, nanonood ba kayo ng PBB? My God, sobrang pina-fantasy ko si Esnir at saka si Brent. Nanonood ka bang PBB? Hindi masyado, kuya. Ayan, kinakausap ko yung Kuya Grab. Ayan, so, ayun, super nag-root ako sa super nag-root ako sa Presneer. Yun na nagpapakilig sa akin. My God! As in, pasabog. Kung may drag artist sa PBB, ikaw perfect. Sana. Pero ako pala-away ako Charis. Sobrang ganda naman ng babae na to. Covered na nga. Pero in fairness alam nyo ba, hindi pa ako nag-retouch today. And thinking na 30 minutes lang yung makeup, not bad. Fairness. I love it. So yun. Thank you sa pag-follow back ng Diwata. Ayun. So, tinatanong ko sila sa mga bagong pasok kung pag nag-reality TV ba ako, mga halimbawa, Sparks Camp, ganun, support nyo ba ako? Kasi parang inaamat ko kasi mag-reality TV ulit. Kasi feeling ko doon ako nagsashine. Charis. As a palaaway and as matalino na palaaway naman ako. Hindi na, I don't like create fights. So yun, tinatanong ko lang kung isa-support nyo ako ng full. Hindi ba kayo maglilid ng troll farm para i-cancel ako? Charis. Siyempre naman, kapag deserve ko naman, deserve ko din naman. Pero yun, tinatanong ko lang kasi parang inaamas ko mag-audition somewhere. Kasi diba, sa mga followers ko, even way before pa, alam nila yan, nag-audition ako for PBB, yung season ni Nafiang, yung season before this. I auditioned, pero yun, hindi ako pinalad. Pero kasama ako sa mga honorable mentions, kasi funny yung audition ko. So yun. Thank you. So yun, tinatanong ko lang kung isusupport nyo ako sa reality TV ulit. Kasi honestly, ito yan. When I auditioned for Jagden, nagkwento, pala, unboxing kasi Enga. So ito na nga, ang kwento ko lang naman kasi, when I auditioned for Jagden, they asked, parang ang main question kasi doon, what are the qualities you have to be a drag supreme, something like that. Tapos I answered grit, passion, and style. Grit because ayun, malakas yung grit ko in terms of things. Like, may gustong patunayan, ganun. Yung courage to do new things. Passion, of course. I'm very passionate with my art. And style, kasi I have a unique style that only Mrs. Tan does. Na hindi siya madaling makopya. Pero along the way, while it was airing, after airing, a lot of things happened. And I think I lost all three. I'm in that current position right now, wherein I think I lost the grit, passion, and style that I had before. I think the style is still almost there, kung hindi man siya same. Pero it's still there. Pero hindi siya kasing powerful as before. So I'm in the journey of rediscovering myself again. And sana doon pa rin kayong sumuporta. Kasi honestly, it's hard It's hard to unravel yourself in front of live audiences. Especially reality TV. I never imagined myself to cry in television, and I did. And lumagalit on cam, and I did. So parang mga ganong amats. Kasi I'm feeling ko unravel, diba? Unravel! Gusto mo yung unravel? Ayun, pero ayun, ang hirap mag-unravel ng sarili. No shit. Ang hirap maghubad ng sarili sa mga tao kasi I'm very protective of my story because I've been through a lot. So yeah. And actually your love, your support, everyone, hindi ko man siya laging na-express kasi I'm an awkward kid, I'm an awkward person, but I try to express it the best that I could, and hopefully napapasaya kayo. So yun, gusto ko lang yung chika. Kasi yun parang press 1 kung ipopost ko ang audition video ko sa Dragden. Press 1 kung i-share ko ang aking audition video sa Dragden. Actually, parang amating ko nga. Mag-audition ako sa kung saan-saan. Hindi ko wala kasi akong courage, or parang feeling ko takot ulit ako ma-judge. May ganun siya na factor. Takot na akong hindi ma-feel yung appreciation. Pero naman, by comes becomes, something like that. Parang kung aamatin kung aamatin. Pero in sa makeup ko ha. I love it. So, ang gili ko yan. So, yun. Good night, Jane. RJ, good night. Kuya, kapag may madaanan tayong pwedeng iyan, sabihan mo ko, kahit gilid-gilid. Just. Hi, Ate Athena. So, yun. Hi, Kiben. Kumusta ka? If there's any content that you'd like to see, let me know. Let's try to do it. Kasi I'm finding the people to help me do content. Ayan. Ayan. Sabihan nyo ako kung anong content yung gusto nyo makita from me. Or ano na miss nyo. Shoots ba yan? TikTok? Anything. Challenge nyo ako. Feeling ko kailangan ko na mag-challenge sa akin ng content. Pero gusto ko ding malaman yung content na kakainin nyo. Kasi honestly, hindi ko alam kung ano yung content ko. I'm a very random person. So, yeah. Vanna! Hello, Vanna. It's been a long time since you watched my life. Singer. Pero yun, sabihin nyo ako, what content do you want from Mrs. Tan? This 2025, amatin natin yan. Kasi I'm thinking of, ang dami ko naiisip, ayoko lang siya sabihin, kasi baka nga, kapag sinabi ko siya sa live, may makarinig na iba, kunin nila actually. Maanik tips mo for baby dragas like Mir, nahirap makasil ng gigs. Ito yan. Hindi lang naman ikaw yung nahihirapang kumuha ng gig. Kami din. Kasi oversaturated ngayon ang economy of drag artists. Ang daming gusto magdraga, ang daming bagong nagdadraga, ang daming nang nagdadraga. Let's just be honest with that. And personally, kaya nagigets ko din yung ibang people na hindi makasupport na sa ibang drag artists kasi syempre may mga kanya-kanya tayong priorities from artists na papanoorin natin, saan magpupunta yung pera natin, something like that. So ang feeling ko, ang pinaka-tip ko for a baby drag artist who wants to keep his or her booking is, number one, always put your best foot forward. Like, in terms of everything that you can. And it's also a message, no? Naputol, sa part na putol yung sinasabi ko. Do something na pwede mo pang explore, do something na alam mong magugustuhan nila or feeling mo magugustuhan nila. Tsaka, do something na ikaw. Kasi yun yung feeling ko, hindi mawawala dapat sa'yo as a drag artist. Number one yun. Number two, kung paano nila tayo alagaan din natin sila pabalik the best that we could. Na especially yung mga taong nagtiwala sa atin. Ayun lang. Kasi hindi naman sa lahat binibigay yan. Especially dun sa mga nag-book sa'yo for a certain event. Just do what you can at your best. Kung hindi talaga mag-work, ganun talaga. So yun. Tsaka feeling ko always remember lang na do drag because you wanna do drag or you're enjoying it or you want to express yourself, do something with your life, something like that. Huwag kang mag-drag just because hype siya or trending siya or something like that or nakikita mo na maraming successful na nagda-drag. Like, yeah, it's a push pero what's within you while you're doing drag? Hi, Tita Tony, I miss you so much. Hi, Lance. Ako Kuya, diretso mo na lang. Sarado na yan. Manali ka sa akin. Ako yung taga dito. Yes. I missed hearing you talk. Ayun. So yun. Actually, Vanna, nagtatanong lang ako kung mag-reality TV ba ako ulit. Isusupport ba ako ng mga tao? Like a different reality TV. Sabihin natin PBB, Sparks Camp, mga ganong amats. Yung as iyan. Actually, na-realize ko din. Ana Velasco, sana makita kita sa Pampanga naman. Wow. Anyway, going back. So, na-realize ko lang kasi, nakalimutan ko yung na-realize ko. Charis. Doon po tayo sa 1, 2, 3, 4. Doon sa nakasaradong kotse. Doon sa nakatrapal.
Ito po.
Yes.
Yung may kotse po.
Oo, nakatrapal na kotse. Naka-cover ba? Okay lang. Willing to wait. Naiihi ako. Support nyo ba ako? Actually, nagtatanong lang talaga ako kung support nyo. Support nyo yung mga post ko. Mababa engagement ko. Nakakaano siya, imposter syndrome na I'm not doing good. Charis. I'm trying my best. And I'll try. The best that I could. Wait lang po. Papasok ko muna kayo sa baga. Bababa lang ako. Thank you, kuya. Kuya, kaya na yun. Hindi na ako muna dito sa dulo. Hindi lang muna kapag ako. Pwede nyo na ako. Well, thank you. Hi, andyan pa ba kayo? Ay, by the way. Andyan pa ba kayo? Saan dito ako? Andiyan pa ba kayo? Kasi andito na ako, nagbubukas na ako ng gate. Oh my God! Yahoo siya. Yahoo! Ang init. Lumaban po ako ng gig na wala assistant. I love that for me. Ouch. Fairness active ngayon yung viewers. Gusto niyo talaga ako nakikita ng lasing. Charis. Pero in fairness, mas matalino ako kapag lasing. Or feeling ko kasi kasi kapag lasing hindi nga ako nahihiya kasi. Feeling ko is a factor, no? Ang hirap din kasi kapag pinalaki ka sa ipapa-feel sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo na you're too smart. You feel that you know it all. Yung ganong bagay. Na smart shaming ba? Shaming. Pero gets. May ganun siya, mahirap siya. Kasi sometimes I feel that I have thoughts in my mind, but I'd rather not say it because baka ma-misunderstood. I mean, I think we all share some common sentiments regarding that. God. It's one of the days that I'm thankful that I'm home. I'm home na, hindi lang basta safe, pero I'm home na, I'm still okay. Na hindi ako gagano. Forget what I'm trying to say. So yeah. So yon, pakita ko sa iyo yung CR's, tsaka may bilay na CR ko. Thank you very much, Rona. Tsaka yung air cash kakapalit lang. Diba? At least alam mo may pinagastosan na maayos yung andahe. Ano yung isang bagay na kinakaadikan nyo? Like, let's talk about obsession and addiction. Wow. Let's talk about obsession and addiction. Kasi parang, that's some taboo topics na everyone is not willing to talk about. So parang, what's your obsession? Are you obsessed with anything? Ako kasi, as someone with ADHD, I don't think I have an obsession, but rather a hyperfixation. That's two different things. Kasi hyperfixation, it means that you're so focused over a certain thing na for a certain period of time, that's the only thing that you're gonna think about. Doom scrolling of what? Diba? Kasi parang yun lang yung focus mo, or parang you'll do things just to get a certain thing. It's a hyperfixation. And sometimes people mistake that for addiction. Kasi hyperfixation only lasts a certain period of time. Addiction lasts for a certain time. Halimbawa ko, if you're gonna ask what my addiction is, I think my addiction is nicotine, like vape and Yossi. But I have my own reasons why I smoke. Kasi during the time that I felt alone, Yossi was the only thing na feeling ko kasama ko during the times na mabigat. So every time na I'm stressed, I'm happy, or parang kakain, mga ganun, yung obsession naging, hindi pala obsession, pero yung pagpapakalma naging habit. So yun. Feeling ko nga kahit pag inom ko, naging habit ko lang siya eh. Kasi parang under normal circumstances, hindi naman ako nag-aaya ng inom tayo, ganito ganyan. Diba? Yung vape. Actually, maganda yung yung inano ni Anna, yung about movies or music. Hyperfixation yan. Hyperfixation pa yan. Kasi, over a certain period of time, feeling ko addiction should last a certain amount of time. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. No worries. Oh my God, Hamilton 50 times, pasabog ka. Feeling ko I can't watch Hamilton ng 50 times. Honestly, like, I love Hamilton, pero feeling ko may ADHD cannot keep up. Pero alam mo, Hamilton is the first thing I watched ng live when it came to the Philippines. Oh my God. And I still have the SUV prog of Hamilton. I'll show you guys. Souvenir program of Hamilton together with signatures. Basta may mga signature yan. I think you can see it through the cam. Pero yeah, may mga signature siya. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga scribble. Signature ng cast yun. So yeah. So, yun. Kaya ako kasi alam ko pwede ko siya mabenta soon. Charis! Pag hirap na ako. Pero actually, may isa pa akong, may pagka-hoarder ako. Hirap ako mag-let go sa mga bagay-bagay. From things to people to relationships to... And actually, magsimula tayo sa mga bagay. May mga bagay ako hindi ma-let go kasi feeling ko may meaning siya sa akin. Like, first ganto, first ganyan. Imagine mo, actually, bata pa lang ako, hirap na ako mag-let go. Kasi, imagine mo, oh my God, it's so, kung titignan ako ngayon, kung isipin ko ngayon, creepy siya, pero parang, bata kasi ako noon. Pero, imagine mo, yung bote, na ininuman namin parehas nung crush ko, yung high school ako, hindi ko alam, pero feeling ko nakatago pa rin siya sa amin, sa amin. As in, yung indirect kiss, ganong levels, oh my God! Thank you very much, Rona. By the way, everyone, maglalagay na akong Gcash dito. Wala lang. Baka may bet lang maglagay. Cheers. Pag naaaliw kayo. Pero magtsikahan tayo. Gusto ko nang kausap. Thank you, Ana and Rona, sa pakikipagtsikahan sa akin. Makipagtsikahan pa kayo. Yung iba, pwede kayo mag-comment. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Hindi ko kayo i-judge. Hindi ko din kayo aawayin pa. Cheers. Or hindi ko kayo aawayin at all. Hindi man ako naaaway. Weird yung lighting. More acting daw. Okay. I want to act more, actually. I feel that I'm good at acting. I feel that. Pero sabi nga nila, it doesn't mean that you feel something, it doesn't mean that it's true. Right? So, yeah. Hindi na tumulog na lang. Siya na. Bye-bye na. Kapagbura na ako.